Again, with developing news, the Trump administration is making it harder for low-income legal immigrants to stay in the U.S. permanently. KSBY's Megan Healy joins us live in San Luis Obispo with the new rules and the potential impacts on local immigrants. Megan?
Well, Karina, legal immigrants relying on food stamps, housing vouchers, and Medi-Cal, among other forms of public assistance, could be denied a green card under this new rule. Now, it's part of the Trump administration's push to reform our national immigration system, but legal attorneys in the area say it's causing fear and confusion among many.
We certainly expect people of any income to be able to stand on their own 2 feet.
The Trump administration placed strict measures on legal immigration Monday, announcing a new law that requires immigrants seeking permanent status to prove they are unlikely to use taxpayer-funded assistance. Immigration attorney Amber Hefner says it favors the wealthy.
A family of 4 now needs to show that they make over $65,000 a year. That's a lot of money if you work in fast food, if you work in the fields, if you work in the kitchens or construction.
A 1999 rule denied permanent citizenship to migrants dependent on cash benefits. But now the term public charge will encompass more than that. Credit scores, medical history, and education could all be reviewed. Hefner says it has created widespread confusion.
I think what's going to happen is that people are just going to refuse all benefits because they're fearful.
The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services Director says immigrants could be turned away if they are found likely to become financial burdens.
If people are not able to be self-sufficient, then this negative factor is going to bear very heavily against them in a decision about whether they'll be able to become a legal permanent resident.
It's a push to focus on immigrants' skills rather than the reunification of families. Some agree, like this local immigrant from England who commented on our Facebook post saying a green card was, quote, given to me under assurance I would be self-sufficient. It's only fair, in my opinion. But critics say the new law could keep people undocumented.
I worry that fewer people will try to get lawful permanent residency because of the risk and the uncertainty.
Now, there are exceptions to the rule, including military members, their spouses and children, as well as asylum seekers and refugees. Pregnant women and people under 21 years old also got a pass. Live in San Luis Obispo, Megan Healy, KSBY News.
Megan, thank you. According to NBC News, the new rule would take effect in October for new applicants and does not apply to U.S. citizens.